Alright, here's the dual point dissected. I got it somewhat cleaned up. I got to clean it up some more. This breaker plate was seized shut. It wouldn't move at all. I got that going. She oiled up. I had to clean out there was old crappy grease down in here on the bottom of the breaker plate. I got that cleaned out. I'm going to have to put some. I got to find a different kind of grease. I got to get the right grease for it and pack that. The thing works now. Just got to clean it a little bit more. Here's the flyweights and the springs. It's got a light one and a heavy one. This is just a spacer for the center. This must have sat for a really long time. It got some condensation inside it because, as you can see, the shaft got a little bit pitted. I don't think it's anything that I need to worry about because where the bushings are, it's fine. You can see here it's clean, and down here, so that's cleaned up pretty good. This is the cam. Cam is in good shape. Shouldn't be any problems. Just gotta, again, I gotta clean that up a little bit more too. This you gotta be really careful with. This clip right here, don't lose that. I don't know if you can get these anymore. This and the felt that goes over the top, you put some oil in this when you do a tune-up, just keeps everything lubed. The clips are still good. This is the tag from it. I gotta see if I can decipher these numbers on it. This came off of a 340. But if this will focus, I don't know if you could see those. Yeah, I don't know. I'm going to have to find out about these numbers. But everything seems pretty good. The bushings are actually okay. There's a little dirt still in there. I don't know if you can see that or not, but that's going to have to get cleaned out better. I'll put that in the parts washer and get a brush, get it right in there and scrub it. And the outside is pretty good. Probably need a new O-ring, of course, and I don't know if I can get another oil cup. This one, the spring is not holding it shut. It'll probably be fine, but that's all cleared out. The opening for that is all cleared out. And that's about it for now. Once I get this cleaned a little bit better, I'll get back to it, and I gotta see if I get some more parts. I don't know if I might have to cannibalize this one, or maybe cannibalize these parts and use it in this one. I'm not sure yet. Whichever one is going to come out good. But I'll keep everybody that's interested informed. And again, if you guys know any sources for any of these parts, if you can just give me a shout, please do. This stuff is getting really hard to find, and I don't know about this stuff from Rock Auto and these other places, AutoZone and stuff like that. For this stuff, and if I can get any performance points, Excel or Mallory or something. I don't know if they have anything that'll work with these old stock distributors, but if any of you guys do, please let me know. And thanks for watching. See you again. Bye now.